Are you trying to decide between DreamHost and Namecheap for your first website? You're definitely not alone. And at first glance, they seem pretty similar, honestly. Both offer hosting, both are affordable, and both are beginner friendly. But they actually are built for two different kinds of users, and choosing the wrong one could lead to headaches down the lines. If your goal is to launch a simple site quickly and on a budget, one of these platforms will probably be your go-to. But if you want more flexibility, scalability, and control over your website's performance as it grows, the other might be a better long-term investment. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the differences between DreamHost and Namecheap, diving into their key features, pricing, and pros and cons of each platform. So by the end, you'll have a clear answer on which one best fits your needs and how to avoid wasting your time or money on the wrong choice. Let's get into it. Before diving into the details, let's quickly clarify what DreamHost and Namecheap actually are, because they're not identical services. DreamHost is primarily a web hosting provider. It gives you the space to host your website's files, manage your security, and ensure your site stays online. It's especially known for its strong integration with WordPress and offers plenty of tools for customizing and scaling your website over time. Namecheap actually started as a domain registrar, meaning it was originally known for helping people buy and manage domain names. Over time, though, it expanded into web hosting. While its hosting features are solid for beginners, Namecheap's focus is still on offering affordable domains with basic hosting capabilities built in. Let's start off with the key features of DreamHost. First off, reliable hosting with 99.99% uptime guarantee. DreamHost stands out for its consistently high uptime rates. Uptime is critical because every second your website is offline could mean losing visitors, potential customers, or damaging your site's reputation. Next is the seamless WordPress integration. If you're planning to use WordPress to build your site, DreamHost makes the process insanely simple. They're actually officially recommended by WordPress, and the one-click WordPress installation means you have your site live in minutes. Another key feature is the unlimited bandwidth and storage. DreamHost doesn't cap your storage or traffic, which is huge. So you can actually host large files with videos, images, or downloadable content without worrying about hidden fees or slow loading speeds. Next is the free SSL certificate and daily backups. Every DreamHost plan includes a free SSL certificate, which is essential for securing user data and improving your search engine ranking. Plus, daily backups give you peace of mind. You'll always be able to restore a previous version of your site, even if something goes wrong. Lastly is the free domain privacy protection. DreamHost includes a free domain privacy protection with every single domain you register through them. This prevents your personal information from being visible in public databases, so it protects you from spam and unwanted contact. Now let's go over Namecheap's key features. So first off, affordable domain registration. Namecheap's biggest strength is its affordability when it comes to domain names. You can register domains at a much lower cost compared to most competitors. Next is the easy domain management tools. So Namecheap's domain management system is straightforward, making it super easy to update DNS setting, transfer domains, or setting up email forwarding. This simplicity is perfect for beginners who don't want to deal with complicated configurations. Another key feature is competitive hosting plans. Their hosting plans are budget friendly and come with unmetered bandwidth, a free website builder, and a free CDN. Next is the free SSL certificates for the first year. When you purchase hosting from Namecheap, you get a free SSL certificate for the first year. So while it's not as robust as DreamHost's ongoing free SSL, it still offers a solid security boost for new sites starting out. Next up is their privacy protection. So like DreamHost, Namecheap also offers a free domain privacy protection with every domain registration. This service keeps your personal information private and reduces the risk of spam or cyber attacks. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the different plans and pricing options so you can find one that best fits your needs. So what you want to do is click the link in the description. I've left it there for DreamHost and Namecheap, but first let's take a look at DreamHost. So they do offer monthly plans or prepaid plans, and you can actually save a ton by prepaying. So first off, they do have a shared starter plan. With this plan, the first year you're just going to pay $2.95 a month, and then after that it goes to $6.99 a month. And if you pay for the first year, you save 63% over monthly. So with this plan, you get one website, a lot of the key features we already talked about. You also get an AI website builder, business advisor, built-in traffic analytics, and a really cool offer is they do have a 97-day money-back guarantee. So if before the 97 days are up, you feel like it's not the best fit for you, you can go ahead and get your money back, which is amazing. Next is the shared unlimited plan, and this is great if you have multiple websites. With this plan, the first year is just $4.95 a month, and then it goes to $12.99 a month after that. But if you do prepay, you can save 65% over the monthly. You get unlimited websites with this plan. Again, everything that's included in the starter plan, but you also get unlimited email at your domain. The last plan is the DreamPress, and for the first year, it's $16.95 a month if you prepay, and then it goes to $19.99 a month, and you can save almost 30% over paying month to month. With this plan, you get one WordPress site, you get free domain, 100K monthly visitors, visitors, unmetered bandwidth, 30 gigabytes of storage, WordPress installer, all of the key features that are in the shared unlimited plan, but you also get on-demand backups and one-click restore, as well as 2 weeks of backup, fast hosting, one-click staging, and an essential CDN. If you want to get started, you can just go ahead and select the plan that best fits your needs, and then you can register a no domain, choose a domain later, or if you already have one, you can connect one. Like I said, the more you prepay, the more you save. So with the yearly, this is $4.95 a month, and with the 3-year, it's $3.95 a month. Again, make sure you're finding the plan that best fits your needs. But don't worry, even if you do choose a plan and you don't feel like it's the best fit, they have a 97-day money-back guarantee. Next is Namecheap. So again, I've left the link in the description for you, but let's go ahead and go to hosting. So they do have a bunch of different options here, and what you'll want to do is make sure you are figuring out which best fits your needs. But if you are interested in WordPress hosting, one you can try for free, but they also have some different plans and pricing options. So again, if you want to save some extra money, I highly recommend paying yearly rather than monthly. Starting off with the Easy WordPress Starter. So right now, this is just $2.91 a month, and you can save 58% on the first year. With this, you get 10 gigabytes of storage, 50K visitors monthly, free CDN, free SSL, and automatic updates. Next is the Easy WordPress Turbo, and this is just $4.91 a month, and you can save 62% on the first year. You get everything included in the starter, but you do get more visitors and more storage. And then you also get a free domain name, you get a free Breezy site builder, you get free SEO, Hack Guardian, malware, free business email, and automatic updates as well. Next is the Easy WordPress Supersonic, and this is $5.74 a month, and you can save 70% on the first year. Again, you get everything that's included in the Turbo plan, but you get more of everything. So more storage, more visitors a month. You also do get a 99.99% uptime guarantee, and then you get the free domain name and all the extra added benefits as well. Now that you understand all of the different key features, the pricing, the plans, let's go ahead and go over some of the pros and cons so you can figure out which is the best one for you. So first off, DreamHost. DreamHost offers powerful hosting features, making it ideal for users who want full control over their website. With unlimited bandwidth, seamless WordPress integration, and strong security measures like daily backups and free SSL certificates, DreamHost is a solid long-term solution for growing websites. Plus, its customer support is reliable, available 24/7 through live chat and ticketing. While DreamHost is beginner-friendly, it does require a bit of a learning curve. So if you're completely new to hosting, managing WordPress can feel overwhelming at first, and some advanced features may not be necessary for those looking to create a simple, small website. Now, Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the most budget-friendly platforms out there, especially when it comes to domain registration. It's easy to use, offers straightforward domain management tools, and provides good hosting features for smaller websites. If affordability and simplicity are your top priorities, Namecheap is an amazing option. And while Namecheap hosting services are decent, they don't offer the same level of performance or scalability as DreamHost. Uptime and loading speeds can be less consistent, and advanced hosting features are somewhat limited. This might become a problem if your site grows quickly or requires more robust hosting features in the future. Okay, so which one should you choose? If your main priority is affordability and you're looking for an easy way to register domains or launch a small website, Namecheap is definitely the way to go. On the other hand, if you want more flexibility and the ability to scale and advance hosting features, DreamHost is definitely a better long-term investment. At the end of the day, both DreamHost and Namecheap are truly solid options. It just really comes down to your goals and how much control you want over your website. And again, like I mentioned, if you're ready to get started or want to take a look at either of them, I've put both those links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and again, leave any comments or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners build their very first website without all of the stress. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.